Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, link will be down below, which will be my affiliate link. And if it's a website link, I'll leave their link down below. Thank you guys for sending me this. See what it is. We're going to open it up. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Happy Easter to everybody. Here we go. Oh boy. This is, the Tribit XSound Plus 2. 24 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof. 2 times 15 watts superior sound. We got the bass that goes boom. Definitely going to test this out today. Bluetooth 5.3. Hands-free calling. 24 hours of playtime. 3 custom sound modes. Stereo pairing. This has it all. You could download the app. Okay, there's the app. I wonder what for. Definitely going to try this out though. So thank you guys over at Tribit. I think that's how you pronounce your name. Get this out of the box. It'll be good to go. I think you can use this as a like a soundbar for your PC. So that's what I'm probably going to be doing. I got so many different speakers. It's all good though. Okay, now let me get this back together in one piece. I'll try to. Here we go. Tribit Sound Plus 2. Get some goodies in here. Probably the USB charge. All that good stuff like that. Yep. Here it is. The average Type C, I think. Boom. Now, come on out. Oh, that's not too bad. You can take this anywhere on the beach, you know. Have a party or just by yourself. Take it out, go fishing. On a boat or just on foot. Bada boom, bada bing. Here we go. Oh, TWS. So you can have like 2 of these. And you can pair both of them. Stereo mode. EQ. Bluetooth. We know how to do that. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Here we go. Put that there. This has a nice string. Like a harness. Take this on the road, on your bike. Ooh. You can see the speakers. Really nice. Got the non-slip guards there. Nice big buttons to press. Here's back side. Plus 2. There's the audio USB. Okay. Whoop. Little raindrop. Okay, hold on a sec. Oops. Alright guys, once you go in your Bluetooth menu, it's going to pop up the Tribe. Alright YouTubers, I'm going to squeeze in here for a minute. And I almost forgot to do the Tribit app. Install its EQ settings for your speakers. So definitely going to install this. Tribit. Be right back when it's done. Alright guys, here we go. It's loading up right now. I think it should connect automatically. Oh, maybe not. We gotta look for it. a speaker. Oh, we want speaker. Tribit, Stormbox, XSound, Mega? No. Stormbox 2, no, XSound. There it is. Way at the bottom. I was going to search. There we go. Connect to. Boom. Whoa. Okay. Go back to YouTube. Let me pause you guys. My oh my. Okay, I'm gonna have to upgrade the firmware, which is no biggie. You can play and pause, EQ, XBass. I want it on. Okay, XBass there, that's on. Audiobook. Jazz. We'll do that. Did I pause it? No. Uh-oh. Alright, sorry about that, guys. There was a commercial, they had an ad coming up, so I had a quick pause. So now this is a XBass.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own.
That's off.
I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder.
There's an audiobook. I like the XBass.
Something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where were you when my heart was on the ground?
This one right here, the second one, the Sound Plus. Now there's two of them. Bluetooth. Then it's going to ask if you want to pair it. Oops. In a second. And yeah, it's still flashing. Alright, we'll try this one. There we go. See? Active battery is 80%, so we're good to do a couple sound tests. Non-copyrighted music. I'm going to have to pause you guys because it might be an ad. Okay, we're back. Wow. This bangs. It sounds really good. Yeah, definitely this is going to be my new speaker. Now let's crank it up. Now we're at 4 minutes. Hey. Yeah, this is nice, guys. Clear audio, great bass. Listen to that. You can feel it for sure. So there you have it. The Tribit XSound plus 2. If I were you, I would buy 2 of them. You could pair them 2 together. And here we go, something different. Whoa. Now it sounds quiet. Whoa. I was lost in the music, guys. Not bad at all. Definitely happy with this. Like I said, this is going to be my new permanent speaker. Thank you guys over at Tribit for sending me this unit for review. And like I said, I wish I could have got 2 of them just to compare the ultimate surround sound experience. But hey, I might buy another one down the road just for home use. But I do recommend buying 2 of them so you can hear the true surround sound experience with these. I mean, these sound amazing, guys. Really impressed. Like I said, this is going to be my permanent speaker now. And then you can take it anywhere you want, to the gym, or, well, maybe not the gym, maybe your home gym, but on the beach, walking, exercising, do whatever. This is definitely a nice speaker to have around. And you can do the two-way calling, use it as a conference speaker. So a lot of options with this one. Really good sound, great bass. And that's about it. Have a happy Easter.